Hi everyone, and welcome back to CT Academy. Today we're diving into something every organization should get right: organizing data protection. Let's break it down simply with real-world examples. Why does data protection matter? Imagine you give your phone number, email, and address to a company. You trust them to keep it safe, right? Well, organizations collect tons of personal info from employees, customers, even partners. If they lose it or misuse it, it can cause serious problems: legal trouble, loss of trust, or even identity theft. That's why protecting data isn't optional. It's a must. Step 1. Every organization needs to keep a clear record of processing activities, or ROPA for short. Think of it like a digital inventory of what data you collect and why. Here's what should be in it: names and contact details of the controller, joint controllers, and your data protection officer. The purpose: why you're collecting the data, what kind of personal data and whose data it is, like customers, employees, students, who you share it with, like third-party vendors or service providers. If you send data to other countries, like using a cloud service based overseas, how long do you keep it before deleting it? And the security measures you have in place, like encryption, passwords, firewalls. Example: a school collecting student info needs to log everything: names, grades, parent contacts, plus why it's needed and how long it'll be stored. Step 2. If you're a controller, the one deciding how and why data is used, you've got a few key responsibilities. You must make sure that data is collected for a clear reason. You're not keeping it longer than needed. It's not shared carelessly. It's protected with the right tools and training. And don't forget, if you're working with a processor, like a third-party IT service, you still hold the main responsibility. So to sum it up, keep organized records. Know what data you have and why protect it properly, and always act responsibly, especially if you're the controller. Want to learn more? At CT Academy, we make data protection simple, clear, and practical. From building your first data map to full compliance, our courses walk you through it step by step. Visit www.ctglobal.my or click the link in the description to explore our full range of AI courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next CT Academy video.